For the past few years, GoPro has continuously unveiled a new addition to its Hero range. So it seems inevitable we'll see a GoPro Hero 10 Black release within the third quarter of 2021. The Hero Black series is the main core product of the company and undoubtedly one of the best action cams available in the market. This action cam lets you capture all your memories in a frame and cherish them forever. As GoPro Hero 10 is on the verge of coming into life, we already heard about some upgrades that might be coming with it. So in this video, we will show you the rumored leaks and expected features about the upcoming GoPro 10. The original GoPro design lasted for some generation now, and this time they might be thinking of a whole new redesign and like to have a unique enclosure along with an edge-to-edge touchscreen display. This will offer you more space for convenient functionality. They might also increase the size of the camera compared to its predecessors. GoPro has always been the most popular due to its addition of new features and technologies. The previous model Hero Black 9 had GPS and motion sensors, which were appreciated mostly by the people. The voice control was another great feature for the camera. However, we didn't find any improvement in the resolution and frame rate, and probably we will be seeing that with the Hero 10. GoPro might feature a better resolution so that you can capture high-quality pictures. GoPro allows you to take pictures and videos by using a wide variety of lenses. It is expected that GoPro might step further, providing more lens mods to ensure that you get the most suitable lenses according to your needs. Moreover, a better stabilization for the high resolution will be expected. With the GoPro Hero 10, they might extend their video capabilities to a whole new level. You might be able to shoot 4K video at 120fps as well as Full HD at 480fps with this amazing camera. It might also feature a multi-cam functionality to the GoPro Hero 10. This will offer you and your mates to go out, sync cameras, and then the data from each will automatically sync the footage to help speed up and ease editing. To have a more convenient user experience, we would like GoPro to come up with an application. These apps should be able to help you with pretty much everything, including editing, quick access to your files, and try out different effects on the videos. Talking about effects, the new GoPro 10 might also be coming up with a wide range of effects for better creativity and unique content. Though you can edit and add effects using many other available apps, adding effects with the camera will surely make it more appealing. Charging your devices are becoming more effortless day by day, and we would want the same for the GoPro 10. They should make the device wireless charging compatible. This will enable adventurers and nature photographers to charge their device without much hassle, and it would significantly enhance their user experience. The GoPro is a very popular action camera among vloggers or travelers. You can shoot stabilized and high-quality videos with it. All that we shared are only rumors and expectations. But if all these features come with the GoPro Hero 10, it would surely become more popular amongst consumers. These were some leaks and rumors we knew about the upcoming GoPro Hero 10. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.